Hello, my name is Ulrike Haslauer and I'm the CEO and owner of Compact Electric, and I want to welcome you to show you my company. At first, I want to show you that we have a close cooperation with Ava3i Vienna. Here is Maxi, and I'm very glad that we have a close relationship and partnership with Ava3i concerning the production of panels. So let's walk through the company to get everything shown now. So we open the door, come in. This is already the place where the panel constructing department is started. Actually, Compact Electric is existing since 50 years, and we have here our training area and testing area. A lot of companies are coming here to make their final tests, and then afterwards these panels are going to Brazil, to South and Latin America. We are working here with companies like ABB, VA Hydro and Siemens. So this is the part where the testing is taking place. Now we are stepping into the production area already. And we are using CNC milling machines to do all the holes in the cupboards and the panels by ourselves. So we try to do all the finalizing, the wiring and everything by ourselves in Compact Electric. So let's have a look at the machine inside. They are now already working. So this is now action of the milling machine. No problem. We step into, so there is a security thing. But actually the data, the machine needs to be done and work directly through from our CAD program, ePlan. So let's walk through. We have a lot of items on stock, of course, to be able to have a production just in time. The customer needs a very, very short production time every time, I can tell you. So we prepare our production before, as we start with preparing the materials, and then it's going through to the mechanical part of the production. So all these machines are we prepare all the mechanical works which has to be done for the panels, to divide it, to have it clean then for the wiring part. So there's the copper machine, there's drilling machines, everything that all these panels are starting to prepare here, as you can see. So this is actually a plan how it should be done then. All the workers are well educated and long-term workers. They are very, very good trainees, and they have education and school education. Otherwise it would be not possible to build the panels in this quality. So we are now stepping into the area of exactly where the wiring is done. As you can see here, all the workers have their maps and drawings, which are done also by our technical engineers, for instance, or in cooperation with Ava3i. Ava3i is going to send us the drawings, and it needs really to be very trained to understand how the wiring should be done. So we have a lot of space here. The whole area is up to 3,000 square meters. So a lot of space and a lot of opportunity to keep it clean and to have a very good overview. So we're now entering the second part of the wiring center. Here, of course, we do have a lot of wires on stock as well, which means for us to be able to be very quick. So, and starting here, we have already the panels for the Iran Mall, and that's what I want to show you especially, of course, because it's, I guess, very interesting for you. So this is the place where the cupboards are stored, and actually we're entering here the wiring as well. This is how to be started for the wiring, prepared for the wiring. At the moment we have lunchtime, so a lot of workers are now outside of the factory, but I can promise you there are a lot to finalize then. So we're gonna continue our walk. I hope that it was a very good image that I can show you of the panel constructing area. We are entering now the second department of Compact Electric, which is developing electronic department. We are doing over voltage, under voltage relays for the power supplying stations in Austria and in Europe. So let's walk through. So, here you can see how the mounting is done of the prints. We are all doing that by ourselves. These are the prints for the relays. Also here we need mechanical machines, of course. And also here you can see that we have a lot of testing and a lot of engineers well equipped to produce special items like measuring devices, over voltage, under voltage relays. As I told you already, this is a device for testing photovoltaic plants. This is our SMD production. We are doing tiny prints, surface-mounted device prints with our robot in the middle and the heating flow system on the right side. And again, a second testing area. We will have copper panel, wires in the floor, which makes us able to have anti-static area here complete to build and to make the prints. So, actually, thank you very much for your attention. I hope that I could show you what Compact Electric is. And of course, it would be my pleasure to see you here, probably to meet you here and to show you the company. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.